This is a demonstration on how to create reports. To create a report, start in the home screen and click on the Create Report button. There are 5 kinds of reports. The top 2 are from single observations. The bottom 3 are reports of data over time. The top report is a report of all students selected by default over a particular date that you select, and you can choose to deselect tools that you don't want in the report. If you double-click a single person, they'll be the one selected, and you can do a report over that person and include individual comments. The observation comments checkbox is the floating general comments windows that's available, and the include tool descriptions will give you a short description of each tool included in the report. Or I can return to the report window and do a report of comparing groups. In this one, you're building your groups. So group 1, I'm going to make females, and group 2 will be males. So now every tool becomes a gender comparison tool. Of course, you can make things more complex and more clear by including other attributes and values in your comparison. A third kind of report, now moving into the over time, you pick a range of dates. The top date is the most recent, the bottom date is the farthest back. It can be any range, doesn't have to be the most recent range of dates. You deselect the tools that you don't want, and you pick the individual that you want the report on. This will now give you a report of James over time using these tools over this range of dates. The fourth kind of report, again, is over time. You pick your range, deselect the tools you don't want, and build a group. So now you're going to track your target group, your low-scoring group, Spanish-speaking females who are low readers. You can track that group over time. And the final is a overtime report. Deselect the tools and build the 2 groups you want to compare. So if I want to compare my female above level readers to my female below level readers, I'll be able to determine the effectiveness of an intervention on their behavior. You can print a report if you're hooked to a printer, or send it to a PDF file. This will include some bar graphs and the data. Save as RTF will open a file in Word. It has all the data but not the graphs, useful for cutting and pasting into other reports. Or you can export the data into Excel, used for making a large variety of graphs. And that's all there is to it.